Oh, yep. Oh yeah. First cast with that, guys. Holy.
Let's go. Shout out Desktop Dinkelheim.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today, me, Cam, and my friend Matt are gonna go out and see how many fish we can catch today. The first pond we're going to is a pond that only has pickerel, and we are going to another pond which has bombs in the water. And it may or may not be illegal to fish there, but if they don't want you catching fish, that means there's some good fish in there. So we're gonna head there now and see what we can catch. I forgot to mention, these are probably the worst ponds in like all of the state. Yeah, like I said, there's bombs. It used to be like a firework factory, and they like dumped all the shit to make fireworks into the pond, which made it just like the whole pond explosive. So for the past couple of years, they've just been setting off like bombs to get rid of the gunpowder or whatever. And I guess the fish love that because they get huge here. I think if any of this water gets on us, we might grow like a third eye or something. But it's definitely worth it because I've heard some folklore around town from pretty much everyone I talk to about fishing that this place is just one of the best. So we're heading there now. Let's see what happens.
So I recorded the intro at the end of the day, so we're gonna jump to the beginning of the day where we went to the pickerel pond.
I have made it to the pond and it is looking good. Let me show you guys just how good it looks. Oh yeah. I think I'm just gonna get started now because honestly, I want to be the winner of this challenge. I don't want them to get more fish than me because they're all googans and I'm the professional here. So let me get to the crazy spot and let's get started. We are here. Oh, it's looking good. Look at that grass. All of that grass down there, that is what these pickles absolutely just live for. You know what, this lure doesn't really do much in the water. I think I'm gonna put on a pedal tail, because this is more for like shaking around, but I want something that swims. Oh yeah, first cast with that, guys. Holy. Yeah, that's what they wanted. All right, this one's shaking a bit. Oh wow, he's actually moving. Oh my god, that was sick. I've never seen a pickerel do that. All right, I'm gonna have to tighten this. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh yeah. Get in here. Get in here, buddy. Oh, come on. Get on the bank. Oh, dude. He annihilated the paddle tail. Okay. If you could just chill out a little bit. This is not a good look, guys. Come on. Is a little dirty because he absolutely swallowed the hook. It was like in his stomach, so he was rolling around a bit, but he's good. We're gonna let him go, get him back in the water, but not too bad of a fish to start out. Whoa! All right, well, he just absolutely destroyed the paddle tail I just put on, so let's fix that. See if we can get 2 back to back. I think we can do it. Oh my god. Oh, he came off, dude. Oh yeah, that's a good one. He just, oh my god, bro, he ripped me off. Oh my god. He just completely stole my lure. I guess that's what I get for not retying after that first fish, but dang. Yo. All right, boys, we're rigged up. Cam Fish is here to save the day, finally. See if we get one on this cast. Dude, I've had 3 the last 5 casts. Look right there. That's one I just caught. He's chilling. Look, you see him? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, he came off, dude. I can't hook him to save my life, bro. Oh, okay, that was insane. We're gonna kill him. Let's go. Let's get some fish, boys.
It's time.
Yeah, we're gonna kill him. Absolute bomb. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh! Yo, chill on him.
Yeah, you're gonna... Oh, come on. Keep playing with me. Yo. No! Oh my god.
Oh, grab him. Oh, he's gone.
Does that count?
Yeah, no, that counts. He was up here.
I was gonna say that. I think he's pretty reasonable.
Got one.
There you go.
Oh,
Big boy?
yeah. Whoa. This one's really big. At least he feels big. Dude, this might be in the 3-pound range.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's number 3.
Cam's on the board. I'm on the board, mother.
Double up.
Yeah. You see that hook set though? Yeah.
Cam's also got one.
Got that bit.
Dude.
Pissing me off.
Double up, baby. We could have had a triple up, but I just threw mine back. But look at that.
Let's go. Now
Show
we're
'em
cooking.
Yeah. Make them kiss.
Click.
There we go.
Gotta get this fish. We're right next to each other.
It's gonna be me.
I got it.
Oh!
I got it. Dude, how is
Why is the rod like that?
Oh, look at this boy. Hello. Hello. Double up right now. No.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, yep, oh, that counts. It counts.
Oh. Is he gone? Whatever. What is that? Number 7?
Oh!
Oh. Oh. Oh, no, it counts. It counts.
All right. Okay.
Oh, we're out there.
All right. Maybe the fish aren't gone yet.
There we go. Finally hooked one.
There you go.
Jeez. Number 9. What do you know? It's a pickerel. You better not have screwed up my lure, buddy. Just put it on. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Look at this.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, dude. All right, we're switching it up. Drag's good. Let's go. Oh, something's, come on, come on. Oh, it's a tiny little, I don't know what that was. Boom, boom. There we go. On the big lure. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh. He does not want to be hooked.
Which one should I use?
Oh wait, that's a good one. All right, guys, the first really good one of today. Oh my goodness. That's about 3 pounds right there. Maybe 2.5, but oh my God. Yeah, let's get him back. Oh boy.
Oh, okay.
That's just.
I did like 5 pounds.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What did you text me the other day, that thing that I forgot to look it up?
This is a beast. Oh yeah.
It was something about like
Another big one. Dude, come on. Why? Why do you have to do that? Why?
oh, coming in.
Number
That's
12
a
is
big
coming in.
one.
Matt got one.
No!
Oh!
Did you see that? That was big. That
Oh.
was big. It was a monster. Hell, what? Why did you have to come off?
All right, well, I guess we have 11 now, but
I think that was a bass. No, that was not. Dude.
number 11, let's get to 50. Oh, oh, how do you not get hooked when there's 3 hooks on it? Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh yeah. Dude. We're counting that. You know, we're counting that. That's, what is that, 12? 12.
That's 12.
We're counting that.
I got 5 now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Cam is on the board, number 3, lucky number 3.
Let's go.
Hold him up. Beast, beast.
Number 3 for me.
Let's go. That's number 12 total. No, 13 total. Let's go. Oh, I have one. Oh, yeah. Get over it. Let's go. Oh, he took my lure. Oh, wait, no, he didn't. All right. We're good. Number 14, let's go. All right, boys. That spot was absolutely blown up. We were not catching shit. We were on a dry streak for about 30 minutes, so we're rotating to an even better spot. Currently, we're at, what are we at, 14 fish?
13.
No, 14. I have one over there. I think
Oh, it is
we're at
14,
14. We saw some monsters jumping above the water, so we're headed over there. There we go, finally. It has been so long. Woo. Big jump. Oh. You know what? That's probably the best thing that could have happened. Well, guys, we really need to lock in. We've lost Matt Lombardi to employment. Yeah, well, that's just as bad, but yeah, we lost Matt Lombardi. He was kind of carrying us. Currently, we are at 16 fish. It's 11:30. We still got plenty of time, but right now we're gonna go on a lunch break. We'll get a Panera Bread review in, and we'll get right back to it. We secured the goop. We got the barbecue chicken sandwich. What's in here? What the hell? We got a chocolate croissant, hard as a rock, but it's gonna be gas. What do you got?
I got a barbecue chicken sandwich and then a mango smoothie that she's kind of had.
All right, let's muck. Oh yeah, absolutely muck. It's devoured, gone. Nothing left. We got 2 crumbs left.
Oh yeah.
We are headed to a way better spot because I got a little sick of pickerel, so we're gonna try to catch some big bass. We might also take out a canoe. Whoa. Let's get this. Public health advisory. Contaminated with mercury. All right. Looks like we won't be eating our catches today. Beautiful canoe. This is actually my buddy's. He just like dumped it here. We might take it out. We might not. We'll see. We're gonna start off with the big glide bait rod. Look at that. We're gonna see if we can get one on this because I haven't got one since I got it a couple weeks ago. So hopefully we get the first fish. Oh. Oh! Oh, I'm on! I'm on! I'm on a big one. I saw him. Oh my god. He's huge. He's huge. Oh. Bro. No. No. Oh. Kind of just hooked myself, but dude, a pickerel ate this thing? Are you kidding me? Oh, this is a bad situation. I'm fully hooked on a huge bait, dude. Oh my god. All right, we gotta get this sorted out. All right, we're gonna take out the public canoe here, and we're gonna see if we can get one because it's just too weedy from shore.
Yeah.
We are out in the canoe. The wind is it's like 900 miles an hour, but you know, we're just gonna sit at shore and pray for the best. I already had a bite, but it was definitely a pickerel because it just took the tail off my bait. But this thing's beautiful, man. I mean, for a public canoe, we are really in good shape here. So we'll see if we get anything. How did I catch a pickerel on a 6-inch?
I don't.
That does. It's like wider than the. It's like twice as wide as the mouth. Dude, it was a pickerel.
Dude.
It was a pickerel. I guess we'll consider that like 17.
No.
Okay.
I think of like AIDS, like what is happening? Can't go down.
Just trying to mate. Trying to find a mate.
Yeah.
All right. Now we could just like follow the drift. Dude, what? How are you not having a good time right now?
Texting me. Matt.
Oh, yep. Please don't be a pickerel. Oh my god.
Pickerel?
I think so. No, it's not.
Is that a bass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's not bad, yeah. But I'm actually terrified.
First bass. It's what is that? Number 16?
18. Because the
17.
pickerel
17.
No, pickerel 17.
We're not counting that. This
Oh.
is number 17. Beautiful. Let's get him back. Woo! He did a little dance.
Okay, can I just get a bass, please? I'm begging. Dude, net and yacht. Oh, you right?
What is the wind speed right now? Like,
Oh!
you got him?
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, it was a bass.
That was not a bass.
It was.
Oh my god, what? Did you see? I was about to pull it up and it jumped at it.
Yeah, that was a bass, dude.
Top water would go crazy.
Oh, I have one.
Top water go crazy right now.
There's a buoy out here. Does that mean there's like a bomb right there or something? Up to you.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, you saw
Oh, yeah, it was a bass.
that? Oh, dude, this is stuck. Oh, I gotta go like right there again, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh, yeah, we're moving.
Here we go. Dude, show the speed. Oh my god, bro. I actually like that.
We are actually going.
Against the wind too? Fuck me, bro. I'm actually like that.
Oh, yeah. This is the life.
Oh my god, dude. I'm cruising.
I wasn't recording on the GoPro, but I just got number 18. We had some incidents. We had a couple incidents. We lost one of the oars in the water, and we didn't catch anything for a good like hour. But I think the bite's back on. Cam's motivated to fish again. He's got the big golden spoon going.
Oh yeah.
I just got one on this beautiful. Oh, there we go. Beautiful chatterbait. I don't know if this is number 18 or 19. I think it's 19, but all the GoPro batteries are dead, but I just got this beast. I'm gonna actually weigh this one because he's fat. 2.5 pounds. I don't know if that's right because he kind of looks like he's like 3.5, but yeah, nice fish. Get close up there. Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's cinematic right there.
Let's get him back.
See ya.
Bruh. Big boy.
Big escargot.
Too hungry.
Good bait right there. I should throw it out.
Yeah, might as well. This spot is looking good, dude.
See that thing go off?
Oh, that was a bomb, dude.
Reel number 20. First bass of the day. For me, first bass of the season.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get a weigh on this.
Yeah, I got you. Here.
2.4.
2.4?
Yeah.
At this point, all of our GoPro batteries were dead, and the buddy who we borrowed the canoe from was fishing at the same spot, and he wanted to take it for a sail himself. So we headed in, but on the way, I got the catch of the day.
We got another giant on the chatterbait. Look at that. That thing is pregnant, man. Look at that. Let's get a weight on him. You know, he doesn't look 3 pounds, but maybe it's because I haven't caught a big fish in a while, but 3 pounds on the dot right here. Get him right back in there.
See ya, buddy.
Woo!
And that marks the end of the first video on the channel. If you guys want to see something done in the next video, please let me know down below. And if you made it this far, comment the word pickles. See you in the next one.